Welcome back to the GraspOverr. Today we will see the ZEGOCLOUD platform for API building. Here we have ZEGOCLOUD console where we have to first create your account. While creating the account, you need some information, your name, country, email, and verify the email. After verifying, the console will take you to the next page. Here you can see it is asking about your company, so you can enter the designated company or the job title and your phone number so that it will be suitable for the ZEGOCLOUD to ensure the products and solution according to your company. So we will just refresh and start filling the company details. I'm using XYZ, so for an example, just to show you. Here you get many options, so you can select your option. I'm selecting individual developer. Also, you have to add your country designated number. Here you can see we can get the benefits of 10,000 minutes of free trial in app chat APIs for before going to the dashboard. So you have an advanced support plan and a 10,000 free minutes option. Here the dashboard has been created. Here you can see the balance of the overview balance. 3 minutes trial is left till 10,000 minutes. You can see there. Also you have a advanced support plan which has expiry date, resources, all the ZEGOCLOUD resources provided by the ZEGOCLOUD. Here we are creating an application where you can see we have many type of options: live shopping, gaming, streaming, video call and voice. So we are creating a video call and voice right now. Also we have voice conference. We'll proceed. Then you have to put your project name. After that you have two ways, one with UI kits and one with SDK. So we will see the UI kits today. If you want a dedicated video for SDK, then just put it in the comment section for SDKs. We are starting with UI kits. As you can see, as we have put the XYZ, so XYZ is creating for the application. Once the project is created, you can see the start building your app, and it will redirect you to this page where you can select for what purpose you are building the application or API. I'm building for Android, so I will select the Android. Here it will show you the configuration of UI as we are creating the voice and video call API. So this will be the interface. You can see there are call invitations, standard field beautification for the 10,000 free minutes option. In advance you will get more options. Now here your app ID and app sign is been created. I can't show you my app ID and app sign, but when you will create it, you can see that and copy that. Once you click on the quick start, it will redirect to this page. It is loading, and there will be a overview of the API. You can also see the YouTube videos provided by the ZEGOCLOUD for tutorial purpose. Also you can integrate the SDK. You have to read all the documentation so that there should be no problem while creating for the application and implementing the SDK and API from ZEGOCLOUD to your application. ZEGOCLOUD shows you in a nice way how to integrate, how to apply, and how to run the tests for your application, along with the screenshots provided by the ZEGOCLOUD. Here you can use this Gradle while implementing the dependencies provided below. You can see there is an option of Java and Kotlin, both languages. I have selected Java so I can see the code of Java. You can also select Kotlin for the code of Kotlin. Also, you can see there are run and test cases, related guide according to the UI of ZEGOCLOUD, and related resources also are provided there. Here we can see the next for call invitation. Now all the UI implementation effects of calling from the offline and online purpose of the calling. Here we can see a review, and after watching the preview there is a environmental, means we can say how to prepare the environment for this SDK for implementing this one. So same as the last one, we have to add some Maven libraries and some dependencies as provided by the ZEGOCLOUD itself. So you don't need to do anything. ZEGOCLOUD is providing you everything. Here are some screenshots given by the API for the call invitation. We also have a diagram to make you understand the way it works, all the type of coding related information and IDs. Here you can see that the connection can be done with Firebase, so it works on Firebase console also, and you can see the video of it. And next comes to the overview, so we will be redirect to the overview. Here you can see the custom pre-built features which are pre-built with the ZEGOCLOUD, so we don't need to add it again and again. We can also customize that, so you have to read this whole document. It will be beneficial for you while integrating. Here we can see the customization of menu bar, implementation of audio only call, hang up confirmation and hide the label, etc. In this way, you can integrate all the features from the ZEGOCLOUD to your application for building a voice and video call API. And here we come to the end of the ZEGOCLOUD console. Thank you for watching the GraspOverr. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Such content, please put it in the comment section.